You're very welcome to the email marketing section of this course. In the last section, you learned how to build your own WordPress website in just 5 steps. And in this section, you're going to learn how to get your first 1,000 email subscribers in 30 days. I'm really going to reveal all of the steps and strategies that I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers for this project, the Complete Digital Marketing course, in 30 days. And you can see here in Google Analytics, for that period, 30 days, these are the email signups that I got, and I'm even going to reveal how I got those as well. I'm really excited to get into this with you because it really is critical for your marketing. We're going to start in the next lecture looking at really why list building is so important, and if you don't understand this yet, I think this is really going to bring it to life for you. After that, we're going to get into the actual setup steps. I'm going to show you how to integrate MailChimp with WordPress. MailChimp is really an email service provider. You can see that I'm using it here. This is how we really collect our emails, and also where we store our list of emails and how we actually send out campaigns to that list. So very important to do. I'm going to be walking you through the steps. I've got the live videos of actually when I did it for the first time myself, so I don't think I'm going to skip over anything. You're going to really see it step by step in a huge amount of detail. Now, after we integrate MailChimp with our WordPress website, we're going to track those email signups within Google Analytics. You can see that I've done it here inside Google Analytics. That's how I'm getting this information here to really confirm that. And also I can see a lot of information about where those email signups are coming from on my website. I can't get that information in MailChimp Analytics alone. And also I can see really how many people didn't sign up for my email list, and that's important to know because you always want to be increasing that number and using strategies that are really getting more email signups. So after we install Google Analytics and set up a goal in Google Analytics to track email signups, we're really coming down into these more advanced strategies, and I used all of these myself. I'll show you how to use them. Really adding a lead magnet to your sign-up form is the first thing. So giving people an incentive, like getting the first lesson free or getting a free PDF, was a fantastic way for me to get more email signups. I also turned my homepage into a sign-up form. So you can see I kind of have a blog set up here, but what I did is changed my homepage to be more like a sign-up form. So anybody coming in from the profiles that I've set up online and where I've linked to this website, they're coming straight to this page, and it's a landing page essentially to get them to sign up. That's been a fantastic way as well for me to build my email list quickly for this project. Also, I'm going to show you how to add pop-ups and opt-in forms to your website. I've got a couple of suggestions, the ones that I'm using myself, and these have really worked well for me, and I think you'll like them as well. Finally, I'm going to show you how to use lead pages to grow your email list faster. Now, this is a paid tool, but it has been massively successful for me. I'll show you an example here quickly of what it is. On my SEO checklist and notes, you can see that I have an option for people to download the PDF version of this checklist. Up pops this little box, and they have to put in their email if they want to get it. And that has contributed for a massive amount of my email signups. In fact, if we look here at the thank you download, that's really the page people hit when they complete the download. It's almost 90% of my downloads or my email signups have come from that one strategy. Really giving a free PDF away, summarizing the blog post. That has been massively successful for me, and I would encourage you to use that as well if you want to speed up and grow your email list faster. Now, after I show you how to set up those sign-up forms and incentives on your website, I'm actually going to show you how to create an email campaign. I'll walk you through the first email campaign that I set up for the Complete Digital Marketing course, and then I'll run through the analytics for that as well, show you how to really keep an eye on the performance of your email campaigns using these 5 metrics. 3 of them are in MailChimp. MailChimp has an analytics system, and then the other 2 are in Google Analytics. I think you're really going to enjoy this section of the course. It is a really important one. And a big part of collecting emails as well is going to be to send traffic to our website. And coming up after this section, we're going to look at 6 marketing channels to really achieve that. But for now, we really want to get it set up correctly, have those email sign-up forms on our website, put the incentives in place and the structures in place so that when the visitors come, they really sign up. All right, that is an overview of what is coming up in this section of the course. I really look forward to seeing you in the next lecture, where we're going to talk a little bit more about why list building is so important. I'll see you there.